Welcome to 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. We have our original building over here. It's where all of our administrative offices and lunchroom, things like that are. All of our installation trucks work out of this building over here. And this building over here, let's come take a look at it, is what we call our annex. This is where all of our service technicians work out of. It's where we do all of our training. We're really proud of our awards case here. Received the 1 Hour President's Award 5 out of the last 6 years. This is where our service manager and Megan, our HR director, works. This is where we do all of our technician training, and not only technical training, but also soft skills, customer service training here. Obviously, we've got the TVs turned off right now. This is our, we're really proud of this. This is our Wall of Fame. We actually have retired jerseys, so to speak, technicians that have been here at least 5 years and show real leadership qualities, and our team players. Lunchroom. Then in the back here we have all of our parts. Parts manager works back here. This is where we have a system here where we restock trucks on a daily basis. What was used yesterday gets restocked today. And the ever important ping pong table. All the technicians have a locker, keep their things in. Kind of stacked up here right now. These are air conditioners we have for temporary use. Here in the summertime, when folks have a problem with their air conditioner and they're left without cooling, we've got temporary cooling. We can pretty quickly and easily get relief into the home. So in this area, we've got our parts manager over here, and all of our technicians are in contact with him via their iPad. We're paperless. So when they complete a service call, the parts manager knows immediately what parts they used, what materials they used. And he will then, we've got a bin for every technician here. The parts manager then draws parts. There's a bin number on each truck. Each part that we use has a part number on it. A bin corresponds with the bin in here. We are then restocked here behind me. These are lockers for the technician. You know, we can restock the lockers from the backside. This is really just for convenience for the technician. You know, it's an easy, quick system where they're stocked immediately. Minimize the inventories on the truck. We keep it turning. And they always have what they need, you know, to complete their day. But it's a system that works really well. Works really well. Had several technicians really use our workout area after hours with the pandemic. Their gyms that they normally go to are closed, so it's actually been getting a lot of use here lately. This is our little coffee bar here. We use this for group lunches, things like that. And like I said before, this is where we run all of our installation trucks. They're not all in here. The rest are on the back side of the building back here. But, all the equipment gets loaded up here. All the material just for installations kind of goes. We kind of have very much the same kind of system over here as we do on the other side, but it's all installation type materials.